What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Christmas Charlie Brown. Now you want to begin today's lesson on the top left side of the page with the bottom edge of the hat. Let's start all the way over on the left side. We draw a curve that goes up in an angle and we'll bend that out. Let's go back over towards the left side. We'll draw a circle for the head. Come all the way down towards the bottom, round out the head, go up and then in towards the right side. Now we're going to move to the center of this curve, draw a circle, and we'll draw the top edge of the brim of the hat. Let's start from the bottom of that circle. Just going to bend this up, go across and out, round up the hat brim, and just bend that back in toward the top right side of the head. Let's go back to the circle, step up, draw that same curve going up and then out towards the side, and I'm just going to flatten off the end. Let's add the side flap. Starting from the top left side of the head, then it's out and in, go up and in, draw a straight angle line coming back down towards the head, and move out and draw another line. Let's draw the top of the hat. From the top of the flap, we're going to bend this up. Just going to dip that down in the middle, go up towards the right, round out the top, and just bend that back down. Let's add a knot along the top. We're going to go up, bend that back in, and do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to add some detail to the face. In the center, let's move up and draw a backward C for the nose, all the way around and back in. On the left side, let's draw a small circle for the eye, and then up against the edge of the nose on the right. Let's add a bracket going around the eyes. And then along the top, we'll add the hair. Starting on top of the left eye, just going to swirl this around, come down, and just pull that up underneath the hat. Let's give Charlie a large smile. Starting over on the left side, then the mouth coming down, go across, and then back up. Let's place the ears along the side of the head. Starting on the left, draw a half circle. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the side of the neck. And leave a gap in the center, draw two lines, one on the left and one on the right. And pull this down and in towards the center point. Let's add in the collar. From the base of the neck, angles down and out. Come down and then in. And we'll pull that up towards that center line. Now I want to turn the body over towards the right side. So let's start underneath the collar on the left. Just going to bend the arm going out and then down towards the elbow. Round up the elbow and then pull that back in. Let's put the hand inside the pocket, go up and then out. Let's add a fold across the top of the arm. Let's move in, add another fold. Let's go back over towards the elbow, draw the back going out and then down. Let's go underneath the collar on the right side, bend the body going out and then down towards the same height. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. Let's go back in between the collar and draw a seam coming down, out, and then down. And then along the top, add a fold. Let's line the top of the arm over on the right side. I'm just going to draw a curve going out and then back in. Now I'm going to tuck the legs in underneath the body. From the bottom corners, let's step in, draw two lines coming down. And then on the left side, round out the bottom leg coming down and up. Pull that straight up. And curve this down and up towards the right. Let's draw that front foot. From the bottom of the ankle, step in, curve out and then down towards the heel, and then we'll round out the bottom of the foot. Let's pull the foot going up and then back in, and we'll draw on the back foot. From this point, step up, bend this out and up, and then pull that back in. Let's add two lines across the top of each foot. Now that we've finished the character, let's move over towards the right side and draw his tree. We'll start from the base with a curve, down and then up. Now, over on the left side, we draw a wave that goes up in, and then back out towards the top. Let's taper this back down towards the bottom so it gets wider as you come down towards the right. Now let's add some branches. On the left side, bend this up and out. On the right, do the same thing. Just gonna add a few more on either side. Let's add some thickness to these branches, so go a little bit wider as you come back in. Let's add some texture to that center branch, starting from the bottom. I'm just going to draw these short lines going up. Just add a couple more in between. And we'll add some small branches coming out from each of these tips. Let's start on the bottom left. Just these little curves going around. And do the same thing on the right side. Add a small branch along the inside. And we'll just work our way up towards the top. Now just underneath this branch, we're going to draw a circle for the ornament. And we'll just add a small square along the top. And then on the top right side, add a small circle for a highlight. Let's add those wood planks across the bottom. We're going to start on the left side, come down at an angle, and then from the ends, angle is up and over towards the right. Let's connect the end of these two lines with a straight line going in behind the tree. And we just want to trace the bottom edge from the ends, just flatten this off, and then connect the bottom with another straight line. Let's add a little bit of texture coming down at an angle. Now I want to take that same board and flip it over underneath. So let's start over on the left, down, go across, and then back in. Let's continue these two lines over towards the back, and then flatten off the end. Let's trace out the bottom. And then add some texture. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Christmas Charlie Brown. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.